After downloading from Play Store or Apple Store, after installation, the app is in your phone. Then you can open this pack by peeling in here. Open it. Then you can open from here also. This contains as mentioned in the cover, it contains a manual and remove this flap. Remove this paper, you can open it. Okay, it contains 500 QR codes. Okay, then it explains how to use it in a manual. The first step is, as we explained earlier, scan this QR, install the app, then it explains how to use it. The credentials are here for this account, so you can log in the app with these credentials.